Let's talk about dental insurance. It's not good. It's not good. It's not good for a number of reasons. So this video is gonna be a little bit of rant about how dental insurance is actually doing people wrong. And let's start with this: the simple fact that they give you a yearly maximum about $1,000 to $2,000 to care for your needs. And grant this, that maximum, they're not gonna give you a one lump sum. They're gonna break it up by procedures to make it go as slow as possible as a payout. And that's sad. Why can't you just give it somebody $1,500, $2,000 all up front? Say, hey, take care of what you need to take care of. But no, you want to say pay 50% for this, pay 30% for that. No, pay 100% for that, pay 30, 45% for that. And so it just takes a lot longer to actually get healthy. Your smile healthy, your teeth healthy, your gums healthy. So it's just not good. And then you think about that amount. It's been the same for, my gosh, since the 70s. It hasn't gone up. But what has gone up? The actual cost to provide the service has gone up. So it's really putting a squeeze on practitioners. And if you don't operate appropriately, you're going to start getting cheaper dental materials, less technology, rush service, not developing partnerships. So it just really destroys the overall relationship and partnerships between the patient, you, as well as the provider, me. That's probably where most of the strain comes from, is with our patients and misunderstanding, which really kind of come back and blows upon us. And it's sad because that is not the intent at all. We're dealing with, as the middle person between the dental insurance company and you, and the games that these insurance companies play, the slow payments, the denial of treatment, the slow pay. It's terrible. You see, with doing all of these claims and follow-up and verification of benefits and trying to get paid for service that you've done, they want to pay 60 days out. And you think about that, how can I get paid for something I did 60 days ago when all of these bills are coming in? And so what that does is that actually increases the cost of actual dental care provided to you. And that's just not good. So they try to say that they're making it cheaper or less expensive, but that's not the case. They're actually making it very difficult for these dental offices to survive, to provide valuable services, care that's actually really, really, really good, great customer service, but you can't because of the little tricks they play. So I'm not a big fan of dental insurance, medical insurance at all. Yeah, it's better to have than have not. So you just got to be aware of why they do what they do. They're in it to make money. They're not in it for your care. They don't care about your tooth. No, it's like pick a tooth of the given year. I got $1,500, got 5 cavities, one needs a root canal and a crown. Well, guess what? That's your tooth for 2021, 2022, 23. Does that really seem like they care about you? No. So look, here's the crazy thing is that we could not be in contract with dental offices, or excuse me, dental insurance companies, and we could probably reduce our fees 10% and provide the best care possible, better customer service, better dental equipment, better materials, better customer service. I mean, it goes on and on and on by simply being out of contract with dental insurances. This would be amazing. You'll get the care that you need. They will stop playing games. They will actually be held more accountable because they realize that you are the one in control of your health care. They also try to say that we're the ones causing all the problems by not submitting claims, what have you. Like we don't want to get paid for the work we do. That is so untrue. We submit claims, we submit all this information all the time. So please, Mr. Insurance Company, Mrs. Insurance Company person, pay. So not a big fan of dental insurance whatsoever. It's sad because people need to get a healthy smile, healthy teeth, have a healthy body, healthy life, happy life. I can go on and on and on, but you're watching this video for a reason. And there's a different take on it. A little bit of a rant as I take a little walk this afternoon. It is beautiful, isn't it? So listen, take control of your health. Don't rely on dental benefits, because if you do that, you lost control, and you'll only be hurt in the long run because they play games. It's a fact.